I just got back from hunting figures. Shopping bags, pretty fine, bitches. Filters call, gotta pick up figures. Look at me, I'm a geek, tripping. Future waves, I will be copping. Come check with me, you know I got it. Figure arts, Marvel Legends, dudes doing them reviews, fella. What's going on? It's your boy Double Do, and you know I got it, so subscribe. What's going on? It's your boy Double Do. Today we're doing another action figure review. Today we're doing a Marvel Legends Infinite Series Build-A-Figure Hulkbuster Marvel's Blizzard figure. Again, got this whole wave at Big Bad Toy Store. Here goes the packaging, as you know, and as we known to love and see, which we'll be getting a change in the next waves. Like the picture, nice. There goes the bio. Hit the pause button if you would like to read it once it focuses. Come on, man. There you go. But I'm going to read it anyway. Common thug turned powerful villain Donnie Gill paralyzes his enemies with Arctic blasts. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't that an Iceman move? No, it's Arctic Attack. Arctic Attack. Ice Beam. Anyway. As simple and as common as the book is used, I like this figure. I love the metallic blue, the metallic royal blue. Very nice, simple paint apps, very similar to Tiger Shark from the Ultron wave, in a sense. But I like it. I like the colors, the vibrant white with the metallic blue. Very nice, man. Very nicely done. I don't know, in a way, like jokingly, I look at it and I see toothpaste. I see toothpaste when I look at this figure. Yeah, my wife agrees. Toothpaste crest. Okay. Have you brushed your teeth today, young man? Boo. But, yeah, I see it. I'm happy that, from what I can tell, for the most part, I don't have any paint app issues. No missing splotches. Everything's there. Looks really nice, man. I'm very happy with this. My favorite part of this, actually, is the face. I can't tell if it's a mask or not, but it looks really good. Definitely, like ninja-esque, right there. I'm very happy with this, man. I can't tell you enough. Simply done. The message is clear who it's supposed to be and who it is, and I'm just happy we got him because we weren't supposed to get these guys. He got canceled a couple of times, but we finally got him. I don't know much about this character other than he is in the Masters of Evil, which I pretty much have. I'm just missing Beetle. And I think like two more people. I forget right now. I have everybody. I have Wrecking Crew, I have Reaper, I have Zemo, I think Sabretooth. I have everybody. I'm just missing like two people. I'm pretty sure one of them we didn't get released of, so I know it's Beetle. I know we're missing Beetle and somebody else. I can't pinpoint it right now. But I'm happy to almost have them guys complete. I like when we get villains. I like a lot of villains. Even though I'm more of a hero guy myself, I'm always happy to have a counterpart and a villain to counteract the superhero. And that's what we got plenty of in this wave and the last couple waves also. Again, simple but yet effective. I love it. And his articulation is pretty cool. Looks like my Yankee cup. The articulation is what we all know and love. His head looks up a lot. Head looks down a lot. Side to side. Bit of a pivot. Not much. He has a bulge on the shoulder. Bicep swivel. Double jointed elbow. Wrist swivel in his hand so it goes back and forth. He has an ab crunch. He doesn't go back at all. I don't want to break him. There's a waist swivel. hip joints, upper thigh swivel, double jointed knee, boot swivel, ankle pivots down, up, and rocks. So that's pretty much the wave. Next up is the bath. And we're going to get into it with that one because I love it. Excuse me, guys. Suffering from allergies today.
I've been waiting since 8 to watch this.
I got to the couch first.
What? I was never there before you.
I was born before you.
I was on the plane.
I was born before both of you.
Oh, smart.
And I made rap battles together.
Oh man, sorry guys. So that's the review for this guy. Hit the like button if you're feeling it. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. Like our Facebook page. Follow my Instagram and Twitter. Let me know what you guys think about this wave so far. So again, after this, we get into the bath. Holla at your boy. It's your boy that was doing one.